morning, students. Today we will discuss some confusing verbs where they are similar in spelling and they sound also similar and children get confused. Let's see. Okay, first is lie, lay, lane. Second is lay, late, late. And third is lie, light, light. Okay. Lie, this is first form of the verb. This is second form of the verb, means present, past and past participle. That is third form of the verb. Lie, lay, lane. We use these verbs when we talk about someone to take rest. Okay. Take rest. We can write here rest. Okay. If I say, it will not be wrong if I say, the tired traveler lies on the ground. The tired traveler lay on the ground. The tired traveler has lain on the ground. Okay. It means he himself goes to lie on the ground to take rest. Okay. Because he was very tired. Here, lay, late, laid. Here, lay, laid, laid. It means to keep something properly. To set something properly. Okay, carefully. So, we can write here, set something or keep something. Okay, properly, at proper place. If I say the waiter lays the table. Okay. The waiter lays the table. The waiter laid the table. The waiter has laid the table. Okay, it means the table is properly placed with all plates, bowl, glass, fork, everything. Okay, so it means properly it is placed. It is set. The waiter set the table. Okay, so that time we use these verbs. Lay, laid, laid. Okay. Third is lie, lied, lied. Lie, lied, lied. It means telling lies simply. We can write here. Telling lies. Telling lies. Okay. If I say, I can say, the child lies to the teacher. The child lied to the teacher. The child has lied to the teacher. Okay. So, you have to keep in mind first of all that after lay, suppose that I say lay the papers, okay. It means after lay, we have to write object. Okay. Lay what? Answer comes the things. What is there? Okay. Lay the table means lay after that table. So, after verb, if object is there, we say transitive verb. This is transitive verb. But if I say, I lie on the sofa, it means there is no need of any object. This is used intransitively and this is used transitively. Here also, the child lies to the teacher. It means there is also no need of object. So, this is also used intransitively. Okay. This is transitively and these both are used intransitively. Okay. So, I think you have understood well. There is no any confusion now. We have to do some, I'm giving you one exercise and you just fill that right correct form of the verbs saying this list. Okay. Now let's see these questions. Okay. We have to fill proper verb. Okay. And you have to choose from these verbs. He has on the sofa. Of course, we are talking about he. And sofa is written here. It means we are talking about rest. We are talking about rest. And has is written. It means we are talking about present perfect tense. Has, after has, we have to write third form of the verb. He has, we are talking about rest or to set something or telling lies. We are talking about rest. Okay. So, we will write here, he has, third form of the verb. This is, I have already told you, verb 1, verb 2 and verb 3. first form of the verb, second form of the verb, and third form of the verb. So he has, we have to write here, lain on the sofa. Next, the papers on the table. I have already told you, the papers, we are talking about to keep something. It means papers. Okay? And lay what? It means this is object. So we have to write, we are talking about to keep something. It means we have to write first form of the verb. We will write here, lay the papers on the table. Next, Miss Tara always about her age. It means Miss Tara always. Always means first of all we have to write first form of the verb. Okay, she is in habit of. Okay, about her age. We are talking about age. It means we have to write, we are talking about rest here. No, of course not. Age is written. Telling lies or sit or put or sit or keep. It means we have to write verbs from this. Lie, lied, lied. Here always it is written. It means we have to write present form of the verb. Miss Tara always, we have to write lies. Why lies? Because with singular subject we have to add s or es in the first form of the verb. Okay? Miss Tara always lies about her age. Next, the player on the ground after the race. The player, we are talking about player. On the ground is written. Of course, we are not talking about telling lies. It means this. We are not talking about to put something, to keep something. Rest. After the race is written here. It means we are talking about rest. Okay. The player on the ground after the race. After is written. It means we are talking about past. Race के बाद. Okay, past. The player lie, lay, lay. Which one is past? This one is past. So we will write the player lay on the ground after the race. Next, why do you always on the bed? Here also we are talking about on the bed. But always is written. It means we are talking about rest. So why do you always? You. L-I-E. Lie. Because with you and I or plural subject we use simply first form of the verb without s or es at the last. Okay. Why do you always lie on the bed? Next, the books on the table. We are talking about to keep something. Keep the books. Okay. So the books on the table. We can write here keeping something means this. Lay, laid, laid. He lays the books on the table. We can write. He laid the books on the table. Both are correct. Okay. Because with lay we have to write lays. Or past also we can write. Both are correct. He lays the books on the table. Or he laid the books on the table. So I think you have understood how to use these verbs in the sentence. Listen children. First of all, this is lay, second form of the verb of lie. But there is lay, first form of the verb. Okay. Children, you have to read the sentences, then only you can make sense. Okay. Of what this or this we are talking about. Then only you can fill correct form of the verb. Okay. I think you have understood. If you like my channel, please subscribe, share and press the like button. Thank you.